kusembeza yolubelefena nsonga eno inshallah. Honorable Chairman, members of staff are here. And members of the press. Today is your day. My role is to guide the process as an MC, but I want to hand over to the Director of Sharia to introduce to us the people who we brought into this room, inshallah.
Thank you very much. Chairman, Uganda Muslim Student Council, Deputy Chairman, Uganda Muslim Student Council, members, College of Sheikhs, Committee, members, General Assembly, members of the executive who are around, members of the management committee, press who are gathered here today, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I have the honor today to introduce to you two members who are successfully have been selected and elected by the College of Sheikhs to be the head and the leader of the Uganda Muslim Student Council for the next 8 years. Allahu Akbar! La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, wa lillahi alhamdu. I therefore honor to present to you the candidate who has been successfully duly selected and elected as the Mufti of Uganda during the Majlis Ulama meeting convened on 20 February 2025. And this is Dr. Sheikh Sha'ban Ramadan Muwajji. I am honored also to present to you the candidate who has been duly selected and elected as the Deputy Mufti of Uganda during the Majlis Ulama meeting convened on 20 February 2025, and this is Sheikh